What's up, guys? So I'm back with another video. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. This is on the Xiaomi, if I'm saying that right, Mi Max 3. This is available in, I believe, China only. You kind of have to have it imported and whatnot. This is the blue version, 6 gig, 128 gig flash memory. As for specs, kind of make it out on the back. It's got a big battery, 5,500 milliamps. It's a 6.9 inch, 7 inch display phone. It's quite large. It's Type C. It's got a Snapdragon 6 something or other. Well, I'll drop the specs down below. I honestly don't know them offhand, but I picked this up because number one, it's a sub $300 phone and it's large. I love large phones. I really needed another Android, and this one seemed like the one for me. So far, I really dig the unboxing experience here. This is kind of like an Apple experience. And here you can see the phone, and it actually does have some specs, I think, on the front. Let's see here. 6.9 inch. It's got the camera there, 1200. Guessing it's a 1.4 focal inch. It's got the dual cameras on the back. More or less looks like an iPhone on the back. I'm really excited to be playing with this. 6.9 inches, as you see, this thing is huge. That's that. What else do we got in the box? It's a dual SIM phone, Type C connector, which is cool. If you don't want to use loose SIM, you can put a micro SD in there. It should work on all bands. I saw Total Tech. He's actually the one that got me actually to buy this phone. He had it working on Verizon. I believe it works on Sprint. They kind of claim it doesn't, but I've seen it with my own eyes working. It did come with a US power brick, which is actually very cool, and it's a Xiaomi, or if I'm saying that right, I'm sorry. And the USB-C cable. The only thing I'm a little, before I say anything, I've seen other unboxing videos, so I assume it doesn't, but yeah. The only thing I'm a little disappointed about is they don't give you the little TPU case, but I got some stuff coming up. I got a case from Rinke coming up. This is not sponsored. I actually bought this. I reached out to them to see if they would send me a few cases, and I got some tempered glass from Amazon that we're going to be checking out. All right, so I'm going to be doing a bootloader unlock, because supposedly you got to wait, but we'll see how that all works. All right, guys, if you want to see more on this video, leave a thumbs up, drop some comments down below, let me know what you'd like to see. I'm really wanting to check this out. I want to see ROMs. I want to see if I can get LOS running on this. All righty, guys, so the end of the next one, just wanted to be real quick. Peace. I'm going to leave details down below about the phone, the pricing, where you can buy them, etc. Alrighty, guys, so please thumbs up, share it around. Thanks, guys. Peace.